Waterproof and weather-resistant, this camera reverse car backing sensor is IP67 marine-grade waterproof to combat bad weather. Includes all necessary cables for installation. Night vision illumination. Driving at night will be easier with 170-degree viewing angle, 420 TVL resolution, and the built-in night vision illumination. It also features color picture output. Made rugged and durable metal housing for lifetime use. Distance scale lines. A wireless backup cam features an accurate distance scale line display for proper parking and reversing without relying on side mirrors alone. Indeed, offers safety for Jeeps, pickups and automobiles. Slim bar camera. It is a compact and slim bar camera size, so once you flush mount or bracket mount it, you will forget it's there. And if it starts raining or if you want to wash your car, there's no need to remove the backup camera. Universal backup camera. Backup multifunctional camera works as a rear view and front view camera while you're driving or parking. Preferably mounted above the rear license plate. Top reviews from the United States. Built like a tank. Came with all the extra wiring needed for an easy hookup. Thank you folks for a reasonable price on a sturdy little camera.